How to indent second line in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here I have some sample text here. So I'm going to show you how you can indent the second line. Okay, you need to just select the contain or paragraphs. Okay, now what we need to do, make sure your the rules is showing, make sure it's enable. You have to just click on it, then your rules will be showing like this. Okay, now select the text. Now you have to select this indent icon, blue icon. Okay, and just drag at your right side. Okay, it is for your second line, so make sure your margin. Now what you need to do, just keep cursor here, and now we need to select only this bar, blue bar, and get back it and right place. Okay, first we have to select the content again like this and take the forward. You can see now your second line has been indented. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.